I'm very happy to win $100 of Bitcoin from CashFX, and I think this will be my starting point. I have to start up. I have to join CashFX, and this is a very great opportunity for me to start. And I need to invite more friends to join CashFX. This is a very great opportunity. Thank you very much. I can't express my happiness. This is just one of the greatest things that's happened to me. Thanks.
Hello everyone, this is Carla from Mexico City. I'm the proud winner of $100 in Bitcoin from last Saturday's webinar. I would very much invite you to come over and watch the videos. This is the easiest, smartest investment that I plan to make, and it looks like we're going to be very successful with it. Congratulations everyone.
How's it guys? I'm the winner of $100 Bitcoin with CashFX. Guys, I can't stress how happy I am. Fantastic opportunity. $100 in my pocket, an opportunity that I never thought I would receive. Guys, I don't win much, I don't win competitions, but I won $100 in Bitcoin with CashFX. Fantastic opportunity, fantastic people that you're working with. The idea is insane. Awesome Zoom calls, 100% world-class quality presentations that they offer you. Guys, don't miss out. Like I said, I can't stress enough, opportunity of a lifetime. Thanks to everybody that got me involved. You know who you are, and have an awesome day.
Hi guys, I just won $100 worth of Bitcoin from CashFX, and if you don't know what CashFX is, you can join their webinars and they'll let you know all about it. And I can't wait. This is such an amazing opportunity. I can't wait to use those $100 in Bitcoin for my first package. And yeah, it's an amazing opportunity, guys. If you haven't heard, CashFX is the way to go. I don't win much. I've never won anything actually, and this is the first thing I've won with CashFX, guys. Don't forget to sign up.
What's up guys, I just won $150 worth of Bitcoin with CashFX. I'm super psyched. I didn't expect to win at all because I basically never win anything as such, but I think today was just my lucky day. Shout out to Yushin for inviting me to that meeting. I mean, it was awesome. It was quite something to think about. I mean, don't be surprised if I do become part of CashFX very soon. But once again, thank you guys so much for the opportunity and obviously giving us insight of what the company is about. Once again, very happy about the money, the Bitcoin that I've just won. I mean, like I said, I never win anything as such. But have a good one, guys.
Hi guys, my name is Katarina and I'm coming from Croatia. Jace told me about CashFX calls and giveaway, and I was a part of it yesterday and I won 100 USD. So I really can't wait to save enough so I can start with the company. Thanks a lot.